Ross 128b is an exoplanet that orbits the star Ross 128, a red dwarf star located about 11 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Virgo. The exoplanet was discovered in 2017 using the radial velocity method, which detects the gravitational pull of an exoplanet on its host star. Ross 128b is a rocky, terrestrial planet that is slightly larger than Earth, with a minimum mass estimated to be about 1.35 times that of Earth. It orbits its host star at a relatively close distance, completing one orbit in just 9.9 Earth days. Ross 128 is a relatively quiet star, which means that Ross 128b may experience less stellar activity, such as flares, than some other exoplanets orbiting red dwarf stars. The surface temperature of Ross 128b is estimated to be around -60 degrees Celsius, -76 degrees Fahrenheit, which is much colder than Earth's average surface temperature. However, there is still a possibility that the exoplanet may have a thick atmosphere that could help to regulate its temperature and potentially make it habitable. Ross 128b is considered to be one of the most promising exoplanets for the search for extraterrestrial life, due to its proximity to Earth and its potential for being in the habitable zone of its host star. However, further studies and observations will be needed to determine whether the exoplanet has an atmosphere and whether it has the conditions necessary to support life as we know it.